is for me. Lost your boot?
Yeah, a little soupy.
Did I lose the boot? Oh my god.
Hold on, let me get in position. I'll push him out. She didn't even know. I don't want to go underneath.
Yeah, you're
Good? Just keep an eye on it. Oh.
Yeah, we're on the tire now.
All right, hold on.
This is shit back
Yeah, that's fun. I don't know if you're gonna make it at all through there.
No, I'm gonna get him up into there.
Well, here, we'll just pull him up then. Got me a face full of it. Oh, he's getting it. Oh no! Oh no!
I'm about to
Oh, you stuck?
I don't want to risk it.
Well, I didn't wind it back up. I can unreel it. Hold on.
Damn, I thought for sure it popped right up on the
I'm about out of fucking breath. I'm too fat for this shit.
Gotta start training for this stuff.
I got stuck really bad, and then he got me out, and then he got stuck. Yeah. Whew, man. We're gonna head back to that pond and kind of rinse off a little bit, man.
That way?
Yeah, I think so.
The train coming, so I heard a fucking whistle. So.
Oh yeah? Oh, well, let's get off this thing then. That is that's good shit right there. Real good shit. Hurry up and get these kids off this train track.
Yeah, I know, man. I wasn't planning on that after I pulled over a little bit.
You're the one that told me let's get off these tracks. I was like, okay. And then you get stuck.
Started tipping, man. I had to get the kids off, man.
No, I gotta turn around.
Oh.
And I don't want to go down in that.
Park right there, Ethan.
Hop on there, Jeff, so you can steer. Good Lord. He says, hey, let's turn around and get on these tracks. The train's gonna come when it goes and does this. That's funny. Yeah, yeah, that was a pretty rough trial run, huh?
It gets pretty deep. You have to go around like that. It's really messy. How deep it is, and I'm staying.
Yeah, man, you put it up top, you'd be good to go. Get some of these grips too, man. I can't say that enough. Look at that.
Yeah, customization, huh?
ODI Rogue Grips. I can't say enough good things about them. They're like 20 bucks on Amazon.
You just have to heat it up.
No, I just fucking, yeah, just cut my old ones off, and then these have set screws in them. They're way better than stock or whatever. I'll put a link on my video. Yeah, get that squared away.
I don't know how to swim that good, boy.
This way?
That's pretty good, man. That's a pretty good local spot. Yeah, yeah, I bet, man.
Done riding,
Yeah.
jump in this bitch, swim around for a little bit.
Yeah.
Cool off. Someone's too chicken to do it. I'm not. It's
He's in it.
We don't have
You
to
walk.
keep us warm.
This is probably the last time I wear waders. Yeah, these are pretty good, man. $100 on Amazon Prime.
I'm wearing
This is how deep it is.
I want to buy some summer waders.
This is how deep it is.
You can go to Walmart and buy those water shoes. That's what I love. And then if you lose them, they're like $5.
I'm proper help unless you know.
Yeah, here I'm going to help dunk you underwater.
This is how deep it is.
Yeah? How deep? This deep?
It's way down.
Thing's
Yeah.
got a lot of power, man.
Yeah, it's pretty good, man. It's a pretty good deal. Get that snorkel squared away, some tires, winch. And make sure y'all like and subscribe to my channel for more pictures and videos. Hit that little bell button in the bottom. Make sure you get notifications.